So this week we've all watched in horror as we saw the Cathedral of Notre-Dame go up in flames. But I've also heard some really interesting news. Game developer Ubisoft. It's a French game developer company. They are the ones behind titles like Assassin's Creed and Far Cry. They announced that they will be sharing a digital model of the cathedral that they've used or featured in their games Assassin's Creed Unity back in 2014. The team spent 14 months to create an exact replica of the cathedral so they can put it into the game. And in the game, you're able to walk through the cathedral and even climb up the tower and see in full detail every aspect of the cathedral. So they are hoping that by providing the virtual model, the government can use that to replicate that back into the real world. And I thought that's quite interesting because by definition, virtual is having the attributes of something without sharing its physical properties. So that means by taking something physical and making it virtual, you're stripping it from all its physical properties and making it immortal. You are giving it immortality. You're putting it into a realm where it could potentially live forever. And at any one time you can retrieve it back and replicate the virtual back into the real world, which is what's been happening. They will be able to bring the cathedral back to its original state by just copying the virtual model. So it's quite an interesting idea because now we start to see there are two realms, reality and virtual, and the bridge between those can be crossed at any one time. And it's quite fascinating to see that we're getting into an age where maybe nothing is lost, or like they say, nothing's created, nothing is lost, everything is being transformed. We're seeing it in buildings, environments and physical objects, but who knows what else could we see? Could you virtualize a human in the future so their memory or their attributes can never be lost? So I just thought that's an interesting news. I thought I'd share it with you.